I've walked through silence deeper than sleep, where forests breathe and the oceans weep. Mountains rose like ancient kings, their crowns carved by time, their songs carried by wind. The road was long, but I never counted miles, just moments. The way the sun kissed the sea, the hush of pines above me, whispering things only they believe. In the hush of green, I found a rhythm again, my heartbeat quiet and sure. The kind of calm you can't fake, the kind of freedom you don't buy. Out here, you remember the sound of your own name. Not the one the world gave you, but the one the wind sings when you finally slow down. The ocean speaks in a language older than time, pulling you inward, daring you to let go. I stood at the edge, let the salt sting my skin, let the roar of the tides drown everything I thought I had to be. And there, in that surrender, I found power, not in holding on, but in release. There were days the clouds hung heavy and the path disappeared beneath me, but I kept going. Because peace isn't a place, it's the stillness you carry through the storm. The forest doesn't ask, it simply welcomes. It teaches you to listen before you speak.